Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 Acura MDX A-Spec on this very cold and snowy day. This MDX A-Spec has a 3.5 liter naturally aspirated V6 with 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque, and a 10-speed automatic transmission. 2022 is the first model year of the current generation of the MDX. All MDX A-Specs come with super handling all-wheel drive standard. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity in this car. Ultra suede inserts on the seats, red stitching on the seats as well. You have the ELS Studio 3D 16 speaker sound system. Here is your backup camera in this vehicle. I'm going to put this in snow mode for the drive. You have snow, comfort, normal, and sport. Nice flat bottom steering wheel with just A-Spec on it too. 3 memory seat settings. Let's walk around this MDX. It's finished in majestic black pearl, shark gray wheels. Super handling all-wheel drive badge on the back. And here are the rear seats. You also have sunshades for the rear passengers, which is cool. And here's the trunk space with the third row up. The Advance package and the Type S Advance had the heated steering wheel, but the A-Spec does not. I really like this generation of the MDX. It looks really good. Acura did a great job in upgrading its design, because before it just looked really, because the previous generations of the MDX just didn't really look all that sporty or distinctive, but this current generation is a really good looking SUV, that's for sure. And super handling all-wheel drive is really good in the snow. And so this car, it's pleasant to drive, you know, the MDX. It's no speed demon, that's for sure, but it has more than enough pickup, even like the regular one. The Type S gives you a little bit more acceleration because it has a 3-liter turbo V6, but this specific car itself, it's a good looking family SUV. If you want a 3-row SUV that looks sporty, stands out a little bit, and has nice design, this MDX A-Spec will be a great choice. Yeah, smooth acceleration. good driving experience. It's very quiet in here too. You can definitely feel confident with the Super Elegant all-wheel drive. Even if you're driving up into the mountains or something, you could use this car for everything, literally everything. Use it for all your errands, all your road trips, any kind of terrain you need to go on. This car will be very good to use for that. As I said, you put your foot down, you'll be able to accelerate wherever you need to. The 10-speed transmission in this car is very nice. And you can get 2022 MDX A-Specs in like the high 30s to low $40,000 range at this point. So it's a great value. Or maybe not the high 30s, but definitely low to mid 40s. So it's a great value at that point, right? You get a lot of car for the money. Acura has great reliability, and getting a 3-row SUV that looks this good at that price point is great, especially if you get like a certified pre-owned model like this one right here. A CPO MDX is always a great value. Take a U-turn up here, see what the turning radius looks like. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own MDX.